kids, they have 4 wheels. You have a front wheel and the rear wheel you have. For that, you have a 2 small wheels. You have a 2 small wheels to have a stabilizer. Okay. So similarly, they are providing a stabilizer wheel. So on those days, since it is a 2-wheeler, there is no stand and all. So for that, they are providing 2 more wheels, right, which is used to have a stability of the vehicle, right? So the vehicle which is having a wooden frame vehicle, and the vehicle has 4 wheels, including 2 round stabilizer wheels. So this is the stabilizer wheel. In either side, there is a 1 wheel and a rear wheel, or there is a 1 stabilizer wheel and 1 more stabilizer wheel in the other side. Okay, right, next. And this is an early car in 1885, the first practical car, the car which is driven by means of gasoline. Gasoline means petrol. Okay, gasoline means petrol. So the first car which is driven by means of a gasoline, right? So which is done by Carl Benz, right? The person who is sitting on a car, that is the person he has invented the car which is driven by means of gasoline, operated by means of gasoline, and incorporating the differential drive and as well as the other component. So what is the basic principle of a differential? Have you gone through the automobile engineering subjects? Have you studied? Yes? All of you? Yes, fine. Then I think you could have known that. What is the function of the differential? One of you please. One of you please get up. Yes, nothing wrong. No one is known everything. So please get up. Yeah, good. Very nice. So the differential is a component or a device which is used to differentiate the speed according to the requirement. The differential is a component or a device which is used to differentiate the speed according to the requirement. When the vehicle is in the straight condition, right, the power is equally distributed to the either wheel. When the vehicle is in the straight condition, the power is equally distributed to the either wheel. If you want to negotiate a turn or a curvature, in a curvature, the inner radius which is having smaller radius, isn't it? The inner radius which is having smaller, the outer radius which is having a larger one. So the vehicle used to cover for the same distance, right? So the inner wheel must rotate a minimum speed, the outer wheel must rotate a maximum speed. Then only the vehicle will negotiate a turn. So what happened? The differential is a component which is used to reduce the inner wheel speed and it is used to increase the outer wheel speed. Thereby the vehicle is negotiating a turn without